First of all, Umang, congrats to you on securing a second rank in the All India Institute in the July 2020 session in urology. And
Yes.
congrats that you had picked up the AIIMS Rishikesh.
From the Vice team, in total, hearty congratulations to Umang, right?
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
So how
All because of sir, you people, sir. You people were always there throughout this journey and helped me a lot in achieving this feat, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a great privilege you are giving to us. And before that, actually, you need to tell your preparation regarding the general and urology. Maybe we helped you down the line, but the things which you faced are also very much important.
Like I started preparation in last year August, and like it took around 10 months to get fully prepared for this. So I read fully urology only during the initial 6 months, so that I could crack this Central Institute's December session exams. I continued with my preparation, but the main problem arises when this Campbell 12th edition came actually. That time I thought what to do, whether I should continue with the 11th edition or should I revise 11th edition or should I go for the 12th edition. So and that time only Vice came, sir, and they helped me a lot, sir. Like all the notes, PPTs, classes, all were based on 12th edition Campbell, and they included the potential questions that can be asked in the exams. And that happened also in the AIIMS exam also and in the PGI exam also. Like all the uro-oncology part that was taught by you people was included and new changes were included, and that only were asked in the AIIMS exam actually, sir. They asked new questions based on 12th edition, and that was included in your PPT and classes. Right. So in this way, Vice helped me a lot.
If I were to ask you how much duration in a day you used to spend for your preparation?
12 to 14 hours, sir, for studying this urology, sir.
And one more thing, Umang, how did you try to master the complex flowcharts and the guidelines, the clinical scenarios and everything in urology? Because none of you are much acquainted with how to manage the clinical scenarios, particularly on stone disease. These are all something very new to a general surgeon.
Sir, I think giving more and more tests is the key, sir. Like whenever we give test and whenever we solve the questions, and if we get it wrong, then it gets stored in our memory better. So I used to solve the questions again and again. Moreover, I solved I think for solving Campbell review is very important. I solved it 5-6 times, right, so that none of the question I would get wrong in the exam, because some direct questions will be there in each and every exam from the Campbell review.
Exactly. Perfect. And one more thing, Umang, in AIIMS exam, how useful you found our classes and the MCQs? Were there any repeats from the MCQs that we practiced, and were there any concepts that were directly that were asked in AIIMS and PGI?
Yes, sir. Actually, that 10 question session was there, no, sir, in the evening that you take.
Yeah.
Many repeats were there from that. Many direct repeats were there from that question answer session, sir. I used to attempt that session very seriously, sir, and it gave us some insight about where I am standing with in comparison to other people. So that was a very important session. And at least I think 4 or 5 questions were direct repeat from that question answer session. Right. Apart from that, that uro-oncology classes were very important, sir, and all PPTs that included the recent guidelines and all, everything. They asked 12th edition Campbell only, sir, in AIIMS right, with regard to oncology. So these classes were very important, and like being a general surgeon, I didn't know much about this prostate cancer and all. Though I read Campbell, but it was very difficult for me to understand the concepts. So attending your class was like very much beneficial for me to clearing my concepts of testicular cancer also and prostate cancer also. Both the classes were superb, sir. I am really very thankful to you for such nice classes. And bladder cancer class by Harsha sir and was also very good, sir, and like that also was very helpful, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Umang. And
So you were telling, last question, Umang. You were telling something about the guidelines that you have been reading. So do you really feel that every Euro aspirant need to go through this AUA and EAU guidelines? Because when we were giving exam, it was not that pertinent to read the EAU and AUA guidelines. But now with the increasing competition and kind of recently asked FAQ, do you feel did any questions pop up in this session or the previous session from the EAU and the AUA guidelines? What is your
Sir,
take on
I read all of the PPTs like that you people prepared, sir. In that PPT included, I think, the most important guideline changes and the potential questions. So if one or two question was there, that was I was able to solve with the help of that PPTs only, sir. I didn't read any guidelines separately, sir. Like I didn't read EUA or AUA separately, and I just go through the PPT twice or thrice so that all the new changes and whatever guideline changes were there that were included in the PPT. So with the help of that, I could solve all the questions like whatever was being asked. One more thing I will like to say, ki wise team sir helped me a lot, sir. Actually, during the time of interview also, that was the most important time. When we were losing hope, we thought we will not get selected, and in spite of all this, sir, like you people used to share all the x-rays, IVPs, PPT of IVP and everything. Even on the last day of interview also, I remember that how you wrote and sent me the steps of doing radical nephrectomy and partial nephrectomy. This but sir, nobody can do, sir. And I am really very indebted to you, sir, for all this, sir. Like whatever you have done, and like you were instrumental in my success. And thank you, sir.
thank you. That words are very gratifying to us, and the very happy moment and proud moment that Umang, you had got a very good seat in one of the premier institutes of the country, and welcome to the Club of Urology, and we shall keep catching up very frequently in the urology conferences.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Umang.
Thank you, sir.